The 2024 BRICS Summit in Kazan, Russia, has set the stage for a transformative shift in the global financial landscape. This year's summit saw the addition of Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, and the UAE as new BRICS members, signaling the bloc's growing influence and reach, with leaders from some of the world's fastest-growing economies discussing alternative payment systems, moves toward de-dollarization, and increased cooperation in precious metals. Investors worldwide are paying close attention. These initiatives may not only impact global markets, but also drive demand for precious metals like gold and silver, long considered havens in times of change and uncertainty. Here's a breakdown of why these developments are significant and how they could shape precious metal investments. One of the summit's major announcements was the launch of BRICS Pay, an alternative to the SWIFT network that will enable transactions among BRICS countries without reliance on the dollar. BRICS Pay is a response to global tensions and restrictions on international trade, aiming to provide these nations with financial autonomy. For investors, the implication is clear. If BRICS countries begin transacting in alternative currencies or even precious metals, demand for gold and silver could rise. Another central focus of the summit was de-dollarization, the strategy of reducing reliance on the US dollar in international trade to achieve greater economic independence. Many BRICS nations, notably China and Russia, have already been amassing gold reserves as a means of diversifying away from the dollar. As these countries continue to bolster their gold holdings, demand and prices for the metal are likely to increase. For investors, gold's appeal as a hedge against currency devaluation grows stronger, presenting an opportunity for substantial returns as gold and silver become more prominent as reserve assets. The summit also underscored the potential of alternative trade mechanisms that could bypass economic sanctions and trade restrictions. In such scenarios, BRICS members are exploring the possibility of backing transactions with precious metals like gold and silver, especially when traditional currencies face limitations. If BRICS establish a system in which precious metals serve as collateral or exchangeable assets, the resulting increase in demand could significantly boost their value, benefiting investors who hold these metals as they gain importance in global trade. BRICS nations, particularly newer members like Egypt and Ethiopia, are rapidly industrializing, which is driving up demand for metals with essential industrial applications. Silver, for instance, is crucial for technologies like solar energy and electronics, and industries that are expanding as BRICS countries pursue sustainable development goals. For investors, this heightened demand reinforces silver's value as both an industrial and investment asset, offering a promising return on investment as BRICS economies continue their tech-driven growth. The 2024 BRICS Summit emphasized economic independence, financial innovation, and a commitment to alternative systems that could reshape global trade and reserve currencies. For investors, these moves highlight the growing role of precious metals like gold and silver in securing value and hedging against economic instability. With BRICS Pay poised to alter global financial transactions, de-dollarization on the rise, and industrial demand for metals increasing, the case for investing in gold and silver has never been stronger. As the global economy shifts and new alliances form, consider positioning yourself to benefit from the rising demand for precious metals. Whether it's protecting wealth through gold or capitalizing on industrial demand through silver, now could be the perfect time to make a move. If you're interested in safeguarding your assets with precious metals, contact us today at 877-671-3145 to learn how to protect your financial future with gold and silver today. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more insights into the precious metals market. Stay golden and see you next time.